can you see the bird? Asked Mrs. Webb. Yes, it is a mockingbird, said Quinn. So from our picture, I can gather that if they are at a school, their teacher, her name is Mrs. Webb. I also know that she's married. And the reason I know that is because when I look at her name, Mrs. Webb, the MRS period, that's an abbreviation that stands for Mrs. And that shows that she's married. Okay, next page. The nest was made of twigs. It had grass in it. So here the bird is making its nest using twigs and grass. The grass will make it soft, said Ben. I see twigs and leaves, said Wes. So we've learned two more characters, Ben and Wes. And boys and girls, you're going to notice they both have that short E sound. So you have B-N, Ben, and W-S, Wes. Okay, so two more people in their classroom. I see bits of paper, said Liz. We can write about it, said Jen. So what do you think she's going to write in her notebook? I think based on looking at that picture, she's written about them finding the bird and the bird making a nest, and then she drew a little picture to show what the bird looks like. One day, a surprise was in the nest. Eggs, the kids said. We see eggs with dots. So it looks like the bird was building a nest so she could put her eggs in it. We will look at the nest every day, said Mrs. Webb. So look, they are in class. They are in a school. And she's showing off their journals where they're writing about their bird. Will we see baby birds? Asked Quinn. Soon? Everyone asked. So now they're wondering, what's inside those eggs? Are there going to be babies? The bird sat on the nest. This made the eggs warm. The bird sat and sat for days. So boys and girls, it looks like these are similar pictures, but if you notice, one is nighttime. I see the moon and stars. And the other is daytime. I see the sun rays. And also, the author put, the bird sat and sat for days. It's listed sat twice to show that the bird sat for a really long time. One day, the kids see baby birds. So now they've hatched and little babies were inside of the eggs. The mom fed the baby birds. There's a worm. The dad fed the baby birds. Look, they eat berries. The baby birds look soft, said Liz. Look at how they've grown. Here they don't have hardly any hair. And now they have their little feathers. Soon they will get big feathers, said Quinn. Every day the birds try to fly. Can they fly yet? The kids asked. The baby birds try. Aww. Then the baby birds can fly. So who do you think probably is teaching them how to fly? I want you to tell an adult real quick who you think that is. Based on this, I'm going to say their mommy and their daddy helped them to show how to fly. One day, it was quiet. The nest was empty. It was fun to see the baby birds. But what do you notice about the nest? It's empty. They flew away. They've grown up. And that's the end. Hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and practice reading it again.